In this series about AI, we're exploring various ways that you can use AI software development techniques to speed up the process of what you're going to deliver. But the first thing you have to know before you start trying to create something to deliver is to understand exactly what it is that you're going to write. It's absolutely imperative for you to have a very clear picture and understanding of what it is that you're creating. Now, I'm not of the school that believes that endless meetings and discussions take you all the way to actually understanding what the actual precise nature of the project is. What actually is very productive is to flesh out the ideas in prototypes, to do proof of concepts, to make a model of what you're trying to do, to use diagrams, to use mutual diagramming systems like Miro to show what the relationships between, or the journey of data when the user signs in, what happens next and what the result is. These process flows that you define, where you have an actor or a person, a user or a prospect or whatever the actor might be, usually a person or an organization, goes through a process where they change something, like they make a purchase, they record an action. And then the outcome of that might be a report, or it might be an email, or it might be simply nothing. Quite often it will be some kind of notifications, emails, SMS, text messages, that kind of thing. Now, the framework that you're working with should support libraries for doing these kinds of things so that you're not struggling with things that are already there. Your AI interaction should be about what you need and not so much about how you get there. You must be very clear about what you need, and the time that you spent with a prompt engineering session with the AI is best spent as a multi-stage conversation where you're suggesting to the AI that it write a specification in ask mode, and when you're happy with the specification, then put it into agent mode and tell it to go ahead and create it. This pattern of discussing with the AI and establishing ground rules is really important, because if you do that, then the AI is restricted to do what it is that you need. The worst thing that can happen is that the AI creates software that you don't need, making it more complicated. Keep it simple, keep it direct, know where you're going before you start to travel.